Okay, we have a Hardinge HLV-H tool room precision lathe, serial number HLV-H 3276. Machine was new in 1968. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a 3000 RPM spindle. We're running it right now. It's got a built-in 5C collar closer. It's very quiet. Running the longitudinal feed, the cross feed. Could you also show that it variates? It's got a variable drive on that. There you go. Okay. All right. We're going to engage the threading. All right, lead screw's going. He's engaging it, and that's threading. It has reverse from the carriage. There you go. Forward and reverse. All right. Machine also has a quick change tool post with it, with a couple of holders and a 6-jaw chuck. Okay, that's the high speed. Oh, reverse, I'm sorry, the spindle reverse. Okay, yep, perfect. Machine is fully functional, it's here on our floor. Hey, thank you for watching our video.